Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna see elif in Python. I have a variable called a and I have a string. Welcome to 404 techies. Okay. I'm checking if 2 in a print 2 exits. Okay. Now I'm giving elif space one more string. Okay, 404 or tech. I can give tech in a again printing tech exist. And we shall also have other characters. elif welcome in a print welcome exist. Okay, finally I am having else statement inside that. We shall see. Okay, so what I've done is I have a variable called a and I have a string welcome to 404 techies assigned to that variable. I'm checking whether the string is 2 is available in a. If it is available, we are printing a statement to exist. Similarly, since we are having multiple condition, I'm using elif here. Whether I'm checking tech is available in a. So if it is available, we are printing tech exist. Similarly for welcome. Okay, so if you see here in all the if conditions, I have given only the positive case. So if you see here, the 2 also exist in a, tech also exist in a, and welcome also exist in a. And finally, if nothing is true, we are printing not exist. So let's run and see the output now. Running. Okay. If you see here, only the 2 exist alone got printed, meaning so if our compiler will go and check for the first if condition. So if the if condition is true, I mean success, it will go inside the if loop and the statement 2 exist alone get printed, and the end it will come out of the loop. Okay, that's it. If suppose this condition fails, instead of 2 I'm giving one more O, so which will fail this condition. So if I'm running, so this condition got failed and the next condition tech is alone got printed. Okay, since the first condition got failed, it went into the second if condition. It's checking whether tech in a, so the condition is true, so it went into the loop, I mean inside elif, the statement tech exists got printed. So in if else in Python, it will check for the first true condition. So if the condition is true, it will go inside that loop and get that particular part done, and it will come out of the loop. It will not go and check for the other conditions. So here also I'm making to make the condition false, I'm adding one more y. So it will make the condition false. So it will go and check for the other loop. If suppose this condition is true, it will not check for the other elif conditions. It will directly come out of the loop. Okay. Since the first 2 condition got failed, the third condition welcome in a got succeeded. So the welcome exist alone got printed. So this is how it will works. Okay. So now I'm to make this condition also to get failed. I'm just added 2 more W's after welcome. So the not exist got printed. Okay. So this is how it works. So it will basically it will go and check for the first true conditions, and then if that is done, it will come out of the if loop. Even though other conditions are true, it will not go and check for the other conditions. Okay, this is how the if, elif and else will work in Python. Okay, thank you. We shall see further in the next video. Bye.